Let's see how to transfer files from PC to iPhone using a USB cable. Then click on Allow from iPhone. You can't copy files directly from computer to iPhone without iTunes. That's why you need to download iTunes from the Microsoft Store. Now open iTunes on your computer. Then select Setup as a new iPhone. Then go to File Sharing. Then click on Chrome. Now you can add files from your computer to your iPhone. Now select your file. Then open. Now this file has been copied from the computer to the iPhone. Similarly, you can add more files like video, images, or any file. Now go to iPhone. This is your copy file from computer to iPhone.